In this video, I'll show you how to link your Facebook page to your Instagram account. So first head over to the Instagram application and you need to ensure that you have a business Instagram account. If you haven't already set this up, just click on Edit Profile, click on Switch to Professional Account, and then go through the steps on the screen to switch your personal account into a business account. Once you've changed your personal profile into a business Instagram account, click on Edit Profile once again, and you can see now we have access to public business information. Beneath here, click on the Page button, click on Continue, click on Login to Facebook, and then select the Facebook page that you want to link to your Instagram account. You need to ensure that you're an admin of the page to be able to link an account. Once you've selected your page, click Connect. To check that your page is connected to your Instagram account, simply head back over to Edit Profile, come back down to the Page section, and now you can see that I have my Facebook page linked. Now there's one more step that you need to take in order to cross-post from your Instagram to your Facebook account. So to do that, head back over to your profile and then click on the navigation icon in the top right-hand side. Then scroll down and select Business Tools and Controls. Click on Cross-Posting, and here you can decide whether you want to share your Instagram post to your Facebook every time you post on Instagram. To enable this, you can just toggle on each of the features that you want to enable. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you link your Facebook account to your Instagram profile. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.